Here you go. Wow, we got lucky here. I must say, we got lucky here. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Oliver, and today we're gonna check another trading session with binary options on Pocket Option. The links are in the description to this video. As always, a promo code for you guys and an invitation link to a Telegram group where you can learn trading. Let's start the video of today. Yeah, basically we're about to cross the middle, so as soon as we do that, I would enter into an option call, but if it doesn't, we need to go with an option down. Basically, it had crossed the middle already, then it started going down. Why did I enter into call option before waiting for the movement? Because parabolic SAR is at the bottom, and that it's where basically it's gonna bounce off more or less. And you see, this is exactly what's happening. So it was going toward the parabolic SAR dotted line below, but this acts as a kind of a pushing pillow. When it hits it, it's bouncing it off, basically. A few seconds left, and we're in. Okay. So, next one up. Let's go to the next option and continue. Right there. And parabolic SAR is at the top. We're very close to the entrance to the liquidation zone. We're just collecting above it, so we're probably gonna shoot back up in this situation. When it collects like this on one of the, so an example here, when it collects on top of a level, then we have a situation where it starts to get strength, and we know it's not going further down, so people automatically think, okay, it's gonna start growing in price, and it does. We start to buy, the buyer comes, and the price starts to grow. Vice versa, if it's collecting underneath, well, vice versa no, because sometimes it can happen the opposite. When it collects above a line, it can get heavy. I like to think in this comparison, it can get heavy and drop down. Same as in the opposite, when it collects below the level, it can get strength and shoot up. It depends, but let's continue with the next option. Looks like it's going to the middle of the Keltner channel, but will it go through or not? We need to understand that. I think it's gonna bounce off and go up in this case. Yeah, there was an intent to break through to the overbought section. On D marker is above 80 that we set. It's the overbought section. So there was an intent. It hit with resistance, went back to the middle of the Keltner channel, which acts as support, and now we're expecting it to go back up to either break or bounce off one more time from the resistance at the entrance to the overbought section. Let's see. Here you go. We got the result here, and we're going to continue with the next option, guys. I think here 240 and an option. Yeah, I think option put. Here is a support, local support. I think it's gonna break it. Let's see. Let's see if this is correct. By the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. This helps the channel enormously, as you know. Makes us available to reach more people, help more people. And if it helps you, it costs you nothing. Just a comment or a subscription. Well, a subscription is a must if you're watching those videos, especially. A lot of people watch without subscription. But yeah, it helps enormously and motivates us to create the videos. And also, don't forget that in the description to this video, you find an invitation link to a Telegram group, a resource to learn trading. So check that out. It's free to join for now. And only a few seconds left. Wow, we got lucky here, I must say. We got lucky here. Because it was struggling there. So that's interesting. I thought we weren't gonna get it, but we did in this case. So yeah, let's keep going. This one is definitely trying to break through this middle, and I think it's gonna do that. Look at the D marker it has. Really strong growth, really change of the direction of the trend. Let's see how that goes. We'll come back to it when it's finished. And here we are. That's good. We can make one more trade to get to our daily objective. Make sure to check the payout. See, this one's 92%. The others dropped quite a bit. 14%. That's a lot. You need to keep. Okay, let's go with an option down here. Well, here I go with the trend. I must say, I see a very strong downtrend, and I don't want to go against the trend in this situation, because the parabolic SAR, as you can see, D marker, all of it give us. Apart from that, we broke through even the lower section of the Keltner channel. That's a strong indication as well. Usually it stays within. Usually it stays within it, but now we even broke through that floor, so that's a good indication for us. Let's see, just a bit of time left. I think we're good. 7 seconds. All right, yeah, that's looking good. And we reached our daily objective. As you know, we stop when we reach that. And yeah, all the best, guys. Hope you enjoy this. See you later. Bye-bye. Let's go into withdrawal. And here we choose, let's say we go for USDT, and we place the amount. Here we go to the deposit section on Bybit, and we choose USDT. You choose whatever you chain, and you copy your wallet into the section address in the pocket option. And then when you get the pin code, just place it in there, and withdrawal request is ready. And as you can see, it just disappeared from our balance in the account.